Greetings to you all. This is the Cryptoprophet. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, guys, let's take a look at the video of today. So guys, I want to take you guys down through memory lane. Okay, I want to refer you guys to this video that I produced. I produced this video 8 months ago. As you can see here, 8 months ago this video was produced. And this was on the 12th of January 2025. That was the first month of the year 2025, 12th of January. Now I'm going to be playing this video so you guys would hear my exact words. You would hear the exact words of the Cryptoprophet. And then we're going to see, we're going to compare, we're going to fast forward over to the present current market situation, so you guys can actually see if my words came to pass or not. This was on the 12th of January 2025. So listen to my words, guys. Let me play this. It is going to pump and come out and take out this all-time high. This all-time high is around 108,000. So guys, I have good news for you all. Prepare. Very soon Bitcoin is going to take out its all-time high. The market is going to pump and exceed $108,000 for Bitcoin, entering into 110,000, and if it even goes, it can pump to as high as $115,000 for Bitcoin. Okay, there's a very high possibility that that is going to take place. Now guys, did you listen to what I, the Cryptoprophet, said in this video? Mind you, this was 8 months ago. And this was on the 12th of January. And guys, listen. On the 12th of January 2025, the price of Bitcoin on the 12th of January was around $93,000. Bitcoin was around $93,000, and I, the Cryptoprophet, I was already calling for $108,000, $110,000, $112,000, and $113,000. I had already begun calling for these prices for Bitcoin. Now, this was at a time where the whole world, you couldn't find anybody on YouTube or Instagram or any social media handle platform. You couldn't find anybody speaking with so much confidence and calling for these prizes the way the Cryptoprophet began doing or started doing. I had already begun calling for the prices of Bitcoin to get to those levels. I called for the price of 108. I called for 110. I called for 112. I called for 115. This was on the 12th of January 2025. And now guys, I also went further to speak about the swearing in of President Trump. Now, this was on the 12th of January, and President Trump had not yet been sworn into office as the next president of the United States. But you see, I, the Cryptoprophet, I had already foretold what was going to happen. I foretold that he was not going to save the crypto space. That as a matter of fact, President Trump was going to crash the market prior to what any other person was saying. Because a lot of people were all of the opinion that President Trump was going to help the crypto space. But that was not the case. That's not what happened. As a matter of fact, as soon as President Trump was sworn into office and the expectations of a lot of people were very high that he was going to take up the crypto space, what happened, guys? The market rather crashed drastically, just as the Crypto Prophet prophesied. And I'm going to be referring you guys to my next videos so that you can see the evidence, just as the Crypto Prophet prophesied very accurately. President Trump even launched his coin, Trump coin. Where is that coin today? I know a lot of people bought it. A lot of you, even those of you that are watching this video, you may have bought that coin and you lost money inside that coin. You understand? Trump coin. Trump coin. A lot of you may have even bought that of the wife. You know, these coins came out and a lot of people invested into these coins. But what happened? These coins crashed. And at the same time, Bitcoin crashed and went lower. The stock market crashed and went lower. Listen to my words, guys. I'll be playing this for you to listen. Listen to this. When many persons globally were saying Kamala Harris would win, I prophesied Donald Trump's victory even before the month of September 2024. This is even before the US election was held. Did you hear that? I prophesied about it way back that Donald Trump will win the US election. Prophesied about the assassination attempts on his life, and all these prophecies came to pass. And now I want to tell you all, take note of what I'm about saying. Take note of what I'm about saying. I repeat myself again. Take note of what I'm about saying. Donald Trump is not going to help the crypto space. Did you hear that? There is a serious crash that is coming. President Trump's administration will do all they can to hold the crypto space, but the market is still going to fall. Did you hear that? President Trump's administration will do all they can to hold the crypto space, but the market is still going to fall. President Trump launched the Trump coin few days after I made this video, few days after I produced this video. And you all saw when he was sworn into office, the markets fell. Guys, I'm going to be referring you to this video so you can go watch them and see for yourselves. I'll be referring you to what happened, what I said, and then I'll be referring you guys to how what I said manifested and came to pass. So you would know that the Crypto Prophet is not just any type of person. I'm not just any type of trader. I'm not an ordinary trader. I am specific in what I say. I told you guys, I see these things as visions. They come to me in my mind. This is why I'm able to mention dates. This is why I'm able to mention time. Even right now, as I'm making this video, I'm seeing the 8th of this month. I'm seeing the 8th of October. 8th of October. I'm producing this video on the 5th of October. And I'm already seeing the 8th of October in the spirit. 8th of October. Do I tell you what will happen? No. But take note of what I'm telling you. I'm seeing the 8th of October. If I want to even go further, let's take a look at this video, guys. Listen, I will be taking you to the next part of this video where you can see what I said coming to pass, and I'm going to refer you to those videos. Then we would get into the main video of today. Alright guys, so now go watch this video. Go watch these two videos. The Crypto Prophet, Prophecy Fulfilling Today. This was produced 5 months ago. And go watch this video, The Crypto Prophet, My Warnings About Trump. I See More Trouble. Now these two videos carry a testament to the first video. This was after Donald Trump was sworn into office, and the events that unfolded after he was sworn into office. My words played out. The stock market fell. Bitcoin dropped to as low as $74,000. This was after Donald Trump was elected into office, after he was sworn into office, exactly as I predicted. That's exactly what happened. So this is why you don't need to joke with the words of the crypto prophet. Guys, I've been so accurate all the way. I've been so accurate. Go and even watch this video, guys. Listen, I've been so accurate. I even prophesied about the disagreements between President Trump and President Trump and Elon Musk. I prophesied about the disagreements that they were going to have. I saw this 1 month earlier, and I prophesied. Go watch this video. I saw President Trump versus Elon Musk in the spirit. Now, this is very amazing, because I, the crypto prophet, I prophesied that President Trump and Elon Musk, they were going to have a disagreement. This happened 1 month after I gave this prophecy. And Elon Musk lost billions. He lost more than $30 billion as a result of this disagreement. And up till now, they've not reconciled. Can you imagine? So what do you think the crypto prophet is? Who do you think I am? Now, I'm not some type of special person, but all I can say is that what follows the crypto prophet is not just a common. Listen, guys, there is something that follows me, which is not found very common, because this does not have to deal with ChatGPT or AI. I am always specific in what I say and in what I do. Go and watch this video, guys. Now, I'm also going to take you guys to this video as well. Go watch this video. Don't be deceived. Look at it, guys. 112K to 115K coming for Bitcoin. Now, all of this came to pass, guys. Everything here came to pass. Undeniable, undisputable. Everything happened as the crypto prophet prophesied. Now, go watch this video, guys. Go watch these videos. Let's take a look at these videos. Go watch these videos. All right, now look at it. Aurora on my head. BTC has hit 112 to 115K. I fly and soar in the prophetic. My words hardly falls to the ground. Now, this is from the crypto prophet. This was the one that prophesied about the disagreement between Elon Musk and President Trump. And this prophecy came to pass, as you guys can see in this video. Guys, I prophesied about the dollar. Like, listen, I have a very strong track record. You can see, I prophesied about Bitcoin hitting 112 to 130, to $115,000. It came to pass. I now went further to prophesy that I see $130,000 coming for Bitcoin. I've been given this prophecy that the $130,000 is on its way for Bitcoin. I've been prophesying about this, guys. Now look at this, guys. Look at it. 130K Bitcoin coming. Be ready. Valhalla calling the BS. Now, those persons that are bearish, okay, I prophesied that Valhalla is calling them. Alright, so now what that simply means is that they're going to get wrecked. And I've already prophesied that Bitcoin is getting to $130,000. Even in this YouTube short, I prophesied that on the 15th of September, I'm seeing something that's going to cause a crash. And these prophecies, guys, came to pass. Everything happened as I prophesied, to the T. Everything. So, guys, let's get into the video of today. I want to be talking about how what is going to happen, and I'll be referring you guys to this video. Okay, I'll be referring you guys to this video. So let's watch this video and get the exact words that I said, and let's see what finally played out straight after the Fed rate cut and I prophesy. Now, guys, in this video I brought out two YouTubers and I told you guys that these guys are wrong. Now, these are famous YouTubers with a lot of followers. The first YouTuber, he said Bitcoin was going to appreciate by around 5% and then crash. And I told you guys that if Bitcoin should appreciate by 5%, that means we are talking about $120,000 to $121,000. This was what I told you guys. And I told you guys that that is not going to happen, that Bitcoin is going to go higher. I told you guys this. And not just that, the next YouTuber, he said Bitcoin has entered into a bearish market and that we're going to drop more. And I told you guys, I said that is not going to happen. I referred you guys to these two YouTubers. Okay, the first one is opticalcharts.com. The next one is Doctor of Pump and Dump. Guys, go watch this video. I was very specific. And I countered it. And I told you guys that rather I am seeing Bitcoin pumping to $130,000. I countered it. Okay, I am of the opinion that the price of Bitcoin is going to appreciate more. As a matter of fact, it will surpass the 5% prediction. Did you hear that? The analysts that I shared with you a couple of minutes ago. I shared his video with you. The reason why I am of the opinion that Bitcoin is going to go higher, despite the Fed bringing down interest rates, one of the reasons is because of this pattern. Did you hear that? This from before it begins dropping. Or listen, I've made a lot of predictions. Okay, I've made a lot of predictions. I've given a lot of, I have a very good track record, guys. Extremely good track record, undeniable. Look at it, guys. This was 1 year ago. The Cryptoprophet cautioned Bitcoin halving could crash BTC this time. I said it that the Bitcoin halving was going to crash Bitcoin prior to what everybody was saying, that the halving was going to pump Bitcoin. But I dared to come out to tell you guys that the Bitcoin halving this time was going to crash Bitcoin. Can you hear that? And that's so what happened. Right? That we've entered into a bear market. No, not $80,000. It's going there. 128, 129. Can you hear that, guys? Now let me take this back again. Listen to my words yet now. We still have more higher prices to go. So this is why you need to be very careful. And this is why you need to follow the analysis of the Cryptoprophet, because right now I am coming out boldly to say this. You're going to see Bitcoin get to 125, 127, $130,000. It's going there. 100. Did you hear this, guys? Now, these two YouTubers came out to say Bitcoin was going. The first one said Bitcoin will pump by 5% and then drop. The next one said Bitcoin had entered into a bear market. Okay, this was because the Fed began cutting interest rates. And as you can see here, I, the Cryptoprophet, I countered it. And I told you guys that I'm seeing Bitcoin pumping rather. The same way I told you guys that the Bitcoin halving was going to crash Bitcoin last year and not pump it prior to what majority of the people, the analysts online and the professionals were saying. Now, the same thing happened in the Fed rate, that Bitcoin was rather going to appreciate and not. Use this video 2 weeks ago where he said the Fed rate cuts was going to crash Bitcoin, and that even if Bitcoin was going to pump, Bitcoin was going to appreciate by highest 5%. Okay, this was what this guy said. And now, guys, take a look at it. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. After this guy produced this video, look at it. He still came back when this analysis didn't come to pass. Look at this video that he produced. Bitcoin upside targets if we break current resistance level. October is bullish. Now, to me, this is like a damage control, because he was very specific here. He said the price would go down, and even if we pump, we are pumping by only 5% thereabouts, and then we would drop. And now he is coming to say October is bullish. This has nothing this has got nothing to do with October. Okay, this is what we call damage control. A lot of these people that you see, when they come out to speak like this and what they've said does not happen, you now see them trying to change what they've said or trying to bring in something to cover up what they have said or spoken about. Now, this is the question. If he knew October is going to be bullish, why then was he so confident that the price was going to pump to around 5%, which I told you is going to land us at around $21,000 to 22, and then we would drop. And now take a look at this other guy, guys. Take a look at this other guys. Now, this one, everybody believes Bitcoin will soar this week with rate cuts. The complete opposite would happen. Now, this guy, look at it, look at it. Even 2 weeks later, this guy was so bearish. Okay, he came out to say that a Bitcoin emergency, Bitcoin massive pump starts within the next 72 hours. Okay, these guys were all talking about the massive dump. Sorry, Bitcoin massive dump. These guys were all very bearish about the price of Bitcoin. Take a look at this. A massive Bitcoin dump is about to happen when the Fed rate cuts a sell the news event. Now, all these guys, I shared this in this video. I spoke about it, but I'm not going to be playing this video based on YouTube copyright laws. Take a look at this other video as well. Bitcoin to test 100K. This was 7 days ago. Now, these two guys and a lot of analysts out there were all of the opinion that Bitcoin was going to drop in price because the Fed had begun cutting interest rates. But you see, the Crypto Prophet, I came out and I countered it. I told you guys that Bitcoin is going to pump. And guys, to the shock of these guys, currently, look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has appreciated to $123,000, even hit $124,000. Today, Bitcoin hit $124,000. So guys, what does this tell you? I'm not in any way trying to say I'm the best analyst globally. As a matter of fact, I can't even be calling myself an analyst. I am more than an analyst because I don't analyze. I am specific and I call dates. I call dates, I prophesy about events. What kind of analysis would I perform that I would be coming out to tell you guys I'm seeing a disagreement between President Trump and Elon Musk? Do you call that analysis? And 1 month later it's happening? Do you call that analysis? That I would come out and tell you on this date, this is what is going to happen. Do you call that analysis? That's not analysis. That is direct prophecy. Because I'm speaking with so much confidence. Just like I told you guys, I said as I was producing this video, I saw the 8th of October. Ask me what is going to happen. Join my premium. Join the premium of the Crypto Prophet. Join it and get the information. So guys, listen, before I end this video, I want to say this finally. Bitcoin is going to $130,000, 127, 130. I've been calling these dates. I've been calling this price, I've been calling this price right from last year, 2024, November into January. Like I've showed you guys the evidence. I've been calling for these prices. I have been prophesying that we are going to 110, 112, 115, 120. All my words have come to pass. And I've been telling you guys that we are going to 130, and that is what is going to happen. And Ethereum is going to hit $5,000. I'm seeing it. And even more, guys. So be prepared. This is all I can tell you. So send an email. If you want to be in the channel of the Crypto Prophet, send an email and you would get into the channel of the Crypto Prophet. The Crypto Prophet is not just a normal analyst. He's a prophet. He's a born prophet. I'm a born prophet. So what I tell you is what is going to happen, because I see these things as visions and my words hardly falls to the ground. So that'll be all for now, guys. See you all in my channel. Watch out for my next video. I remain the Crypto Prophet. God bless you all. Thank you.